So we're here on our way to Martin Dragway. Gonna go see the NPK.
Street Outlaws.
Street Outlaws. Woohoo! Temperature say, 49 degrees. It's only 49 degrees right now.
I imagine they're going to be complaining. We're going to watch this episode, and we're going to be like, yep.
We were there, but
them southern boys and girls are going to be like, what's going on in Michigan?
Michiganders. Yeah, a lot of Michiganders don't like cold weather either, but hey. I have my shorts, my tennis shoes, my sweatshirt, my sunglasses. We are ready to go. We're
showing the colors.
Coming up, we're going to flip this around. There you go. There's the fall colors.
In the rain.
And, there's not really. It's just barely sprinkling. Now we got to wait. We got to wait. And
get into the VIP
it only
parking.
goes to the left, honey. It's just the road goes that way.
Yeah.
So we got VIP parking. Kimm, this is like our anniversary coming gift. This was what we're gonna do together. Charlie doesn't know it. We usually go out to dinner, but today we are going to the races. So I got us good passes.
I have hearing
nice
protection.
Parking. I was gonna ask you, do you have my thing? I did not wear my hearing aids because I'm like, the last thing I need is to hear that even worse. So I will be wearing hearing protection. And there we go. So I will video some more. There you go, honey.
Cool.
So where's the TV people?
They're around.
Where's the crew people? I mean, it's being filmed, right? How come they don't have anybody in their pit? Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Cool.
You never seen them do that?
Well, I have, but I never like.
Oh, yeah.
That goes pretty quick. I mean, that's a lot of.
Lifting them up.
Well, you got to go to zero on it. All the way up.
It's gonna rain again. That's coming right off. They're having deep conversation. And they're like, those people over there watching us. We don't want them to know what's going on.
Great Lakes Plastics Company. Look at that in front of them.
Someone's here helping them. We know them by heart. Well, yeah, true. Where's the guy that's the driver?
Little shirt.
Oh, yeah.
See, I can grab Hey, I'm stoked. I'm Charlie Brown. I am.
Charlie Brown, Kite Kelly.
That's your real name?
That's his real name.
That's pretty cool. I spent a little time outside. Yeah. Good meeting you. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Is that it? That's all I'm going to get? Who are you standing in front of, Charlie Brown? Oh, Kite Kelly. There you go.
Yeah! Kalamazoo fans are in the house.